Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Free Trial. Flow through your meetings with ease. Appointlet makes online scheduling simple, so you can stay focused at work, because booking a time shouldn't be difficult. Choose your billing cycle. Save 20% with an annual subscription. Appointlet delivers exceptional service to companies all around the world. How long does the free trial last? We provide a free 15-day trial of the premium plan when you first register. After this period, you can either select the free plan, or if you want more bells and whistles, you can subscribe to premium. Can I stay on Appointlet's free plan as long as I want? Yes, Appointlet does not currently cap the length of time users can remain on the free plan. We reserve the right to update our policy in the future, but have no intention of doing so anytime soon. Each plan includes the following: minimize no-shows. Make sure that everyone has a meeting record so that they can remember to attend. Custom intake forms. Before you start planning a meeting, ask your attendees for all the necessary information about the event. Show up prepared. With our app, you can add additional information to your existing information on the fly. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.